Okay, go ahead and we're going to look at the crossword puzzle. Remember that a cross goes side to side and down is this way. So number 2 is a cross, number 4 is a cross, number 6 a cross, and number 7 is a cross. So number 1 is down, 2 is down, 3 is down, and 5 is down. So let's go ahead and let's do number 4 cross. It says a worker at a let me show you, sorry. A worker at a business. So it's one of these words. Now I remember reading that, I believe was on page 2. So let me see. Oh no, sorry, page 1. It says, people who work for someone else are called employees. And I can see that employee is one of my words. So that's the answer to question number 4. Put a little check mark so I can see it. So I'm going to go to page 1. And I'm going to put hashtag 4 because that's the answer to the crossword puzzle number 4. So then I'm going to come back here. I'm going to find number 4, 1 letter per box. If I have boxes left over, that means that I did not choose the right word. Or if I don't have enough boxes, that means I chose the wrong word. So make sure that the word you pick has the same amount of letters. Let's do one down. Oh, let's do this one. Home and landowners pay what? So we already did employee, did that one. I remember this one was on page 2. And landowners, it says U.S. citizens have the right to buy and own property and land. Communities have the right to tax the value or worth of any property owned by its citizen. The amount of property tax charged in each community is different. People and government leaders help decide the fair amount. So this is talking about property taxes. So when you own land, you have to pay for that by paying a tax. So I'm going to find number 1 down, and I'm going to use the word property taxes. So, oh, they already gave me the E for employee. And yes, it fits, so it fits perfectly. So that was the answer to number 1. So I have to go back to page, it was on page 3, sorry, and put hashtag 1 because that was the answer to number 1. You're going to do the rest, the crossword puzzle by yourself. Make sure that you find the rest of these in the story, in the article, and highlight them. And here's your word bank to help you figure out where to find your answers. Go ahead and get started.